Hi, I chose the Burt's Bees Uncap Flavor ad campaign. This campaign was created by the ad agency Baldwin Ann in 2014 for all the new flavors of lip balm from Burt's Bees. With the original ad, they had the idea of the flavors bursting out of the lip balm itself or the lip balm containers. So some of the design ideas that principles that I think work well is there's proximity. You've got the flavors close together, or at least the original fruits of the flavors close together. You've got some repetition of this, like mango slices, cherries, mint leaves, honey streaks, vanilla beans and vanilla flowers, pomegranate seeds, blueberries, and grapefruit slices. So you've got them all kind of together, in a repeating format here to kind of convey the fireworks that should be exploding, the flavor exploding in the lip balm. I like the colors. There's lots of bright colors, some reds and a few greens. There's also a little bit of blues in here, blue and pink, but the colors kind of demonstrate the flavors of the lip balm. The typography that's used down here is sans serif font. It's kind of used to demonstrate a cleanness. The sans serif is clean, and so it kind of goes along with the theme of Burt's Bees being natural products, not having lots of additives or fillers or things like that in there. Also, sans serif font is modern feel, so it kind of goes along with the new flavors of the lip balm that they're promoting. So they did several different posters in here in this ad campaign, but one of the flavors they did not do was pomegranate, and I chose pomegranate to add in my ad. So I have the container here, and then I also have the seeds kind of coming out in a fountain form. I've got the proximity of the seeds together and the group of seeds coming out of the container, so it's close to the product. I've got the repetition of the seeds kind of in a fountain shape, showing that there's a burst of pomegranate flavor coming from the lip balm itself. I've got a little bit of honey in here with the border and with the container, and then the red is also in the pomegranate seeds repeated there. And there's a little bit of honey color here in the headline too. Typography, I tried to use as close as possible that I could tell that I did not have to purchase, which was Garamond font. And it's also sans serif to show the cleanness and also the newness, the modern feel of the new brand, the new flavors of lip balm. So I hope that my ad would be considered for a spot in Burt's Bees Uncap Flavor ad campaign.